Hi, Jet.
Morning.
Good morning.
Why aren't you taking it? Oh, you're filming. What are you doing, weirdo? Oh.
It's your morning time and it's hard. It's hard to wake up. Drink your water. Were you calling it juice just to call it juice? Or did you put juice in it?
There's juice in there.
That's what he had in the middle of the night?
It was left over. It was left over from last night. It's still good.
I know, but you can't have juice in the middle of the night.
Oh, the sugar.
Yeah.
Can you have drink in the middle of the night?
No such thing as drink. Hi, Jet.
You told me you want to drink.
Say good morning, Mommy. What's the problem?
I don't know if he's ready to get up yet.